Miss Patu, let's hear your case.
Your Honor, every day, to and from work, I have to pass the dread yard. He has a parrot that keeps telling me that I'm ugly whenever I pass by.
But she ugly for true. Order! Order in the court! I will not tolerate any heckling in my court.
I told the dread that he needs to control his parrot because it's harassing me. And to date, the harassment continues.
Rasbongo Jeremiah, what is your defense against Miss Patu's claim?
Your Honor, I believe that honesty is the best policy. So I chain I bird to speak the truth. So I don't know why the lady upset when I bird tell her the truth.
Same thing me I said too.